Hello and welcome to this short presentation on how to find a DOI number and using it in your reference list. For this presentation, I am going to show you how to present the DOI reference using the APA Manual 6th edition and using the APA Manual 7th edition. To help us go through this process, I'm going to use an article that was done by Arnold, Haler, and Creamer entitled Support Needs of Siblings of People with Developmental Disabilities. So I would copy the name of this article and then I would log in into the Tennessee Tech Library website. Once you logged in into the Tennessee Tech website library, you would then be presented with this page. For me, the easiest way that I've found is to use the ERIC database to search for my DOI number. So here, to search for the ERIC database, you would go on database. You go to database A to Z. On A to Z, you would choose E. Once on E, you can search for ERIC. Once you find ERIC, you click on ERIC. And here you are presented with a blank space where you can actually paste the name of your article, and then you can hit search. Once you hit search, you would see that in most cases your article will actually be the first, but you probably just need to confirm the name of your article and the authors. In this case, yes, our first article is written by Arnold, Haler, and Creamer, which is exactly the one that you're looking for. You would click here on direct link, and this will give you a new page or will send you to a new page. And here in the new page, you would see that there is a hyperlink that is provided for you, and this hyperlink carries our DOI number that we are actually searching for. So you would copy this link and take it with you to your reference list page. Here you would need to paste that new reference list that you have copied. For me, I find it easier to use paste special because my pasted text will carry the format of the already existing text in my document. So once you paste that, for APA Manual 6, you would need to remove this portion as it is not necessary, and then you would also need to remove this part, and then you would need to have full colon, and then this D has to be a small d. And once you do this, your APA manual for your APA manual 6th edition is done. For the 7th edition, you do the same. You would come to edit, paste special, and formatted text. You'd go to OK, and then you would need to remove this part of DX, and then you'd simply need to add an S here. And if you go at the end of this link, it actually shows that's in a hyperlink. So for you to remove that, you'd need to highlight this and right click, and then you can go to remove hyperlink. And now you have your APA Manual 6 and APA Manual 7th edition presentation of your DOI. However, in the case that you have failed to find your DOI number, or you are struggling to find your DOI number on the Tennessee Tech website, there is also another way you can actually search for this DOI. In this case, I am going to show you how you can do that. So I will copy the name of my article. I will go back to the internet. Here I have I already saved a bookmark, so you would probably need to type in for yourself. So you would need to type in shermanlibrary.nova.edu /DOI, and you would go here where it says DOI Finder, And under the DOI Finder, you see here it asks for you to provide it with your article title. So you would paste your article title here, and then it also requires you to put in the last name of the first author. In this case, our first author is Arnold. Once you do that, you hit search, and it finds the DOI for you. Once the DOI is found for you, you can actually highlight it and copy and carry it with you to your reference list. And you would probably just need to highlight it and go here to remove all formatting, and there it is. And you would follow all the previous steps that I showed you on how to present it using the APA Manual 6th edition and APA 7th edition. Thank you for watching this video.